Hi everyone, welcome to the channel and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be resetting the oil service reminder on this 2016 Suzuki Swift. So when you switch your ignition on, if you've got that oil light coming up there and the spanner, this is how you reset it. Okay, so first of all what you're going to do, you're going to be using the right hand button here, the trip button, and you need to scroll through this display until you come to range. So you see the range is up there, 40 miles. Once you get to range, push that button in and hold it. We'll come to this display here. Now we're going to twist that button. As you can see, you can twist through here. And OC1. Once you get to that, what you're going to do is press once. It says reset. Press again. And you can see it's successful. Okay, so we'll switch ignition off. Switch ignition back on. Start the engine. And as you can see, the oil light's gone out, no lights on the dash at all. Okay guys, well thank you for watching, I hope that's helped you. If it has, please press the like button and think about subscribing. Thank you, bye.